Well, we're back. I'm getting my son back. Picking up my son, my YouTube channel. Okay, we're back to square one. No, we're not back to square one. So everything's repaired. Everything has been fixed. Oh honey, join my home keys with my car keys because I need the garage opener. I need to have this attached to this, because when I arrive in the building I have to be able to reach this opener to open the garage, the remote, and it cannot stay in my pocket. I don't like to waste time searching for it in my pocket. I like to have it already up front so I can open the garage door like this. See, already attached. So let's go home. I have to go back to work. So everything was changed, everything that needed to be changed. Oh, he didn't turn off the service light though. He didn't. Pedal still feels mushy. My pedal doesn't. How come my brake pedal is feeling? It's going to the floor. It's getting better. I think maybe I have to pump that up. I don't know. Anyways, it's a long laundry list, but what do? We replaced the two front coil springs. We were gonna change the shocks, but I changed my mind because of the price. I'll do it next time. The shocks, one of the shocks was shot, two springs in the front, welding of the whole muffler because I don't want to buy a new muffler. We did the new brake lines, all new brake lines, flushed out the system, new brake fluid. There was a bulb that was burnt as well, was replaced. Left parking light bulb, and that's it. In total it cost how much? $1,000 and a little bit, 1,000 something, but that's still on for the service. I'll get rid of that when I get home. And that's it. Let's go home. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.